Now, all the patterns that we're going to look at today are actually featured in this amazing book called Four-Way Coordination by Marvin Dahlgren and Elliot Fine. This book was written in 1963, but it's just stood the test of time. It's a fantastic book if you're serious about getting your left foot involved in your playing. But before we go ahead and look at some of these patterns, we need to discuss how the notation is going to work, because the idea with all these patterns is that they're coordination patterns. They don't specify exactly which part of the kit you're going to play. Of course, if you're using your right foot, it's probably going to be the bass drum, and if you're using your left foot, unless you've got a really unconventional setup, it's going to be the hi-hat. Okay? But with the hands, you can play anywhere you want. So the notation is going to work like this. You'll see two lines, a top line and a bottom line, as you can see. Any notes around the top line are referring to the hands, and any notes around the bottom line are referring to the feet. Above the line means right, so above the top line is the right hand, above the bottom line is the right foot, and below the line it means left. So below the top line is left hand, and below the bottom line is left foot. This sounds confusing at first, but it makes a lot of sense, and it's actually a really simple notation system to understand, and it will allow you to learn these patterns as patterns and not as specific orchestrations. So when you start orchestrating more freely around the kit, you'll find this more easy. Now, the first exercise that we're going to try today is a melodic exercise, which means that it's a linear exercise, and it's using eighth notes. Okay, if you have this book, so as I said, four-way coordination, it's page 4, exercise 4, the first one that we're going to play. Okay, so what you're going to have is right hand, right foot, left hand, right foot. Sorry, right hand is beat 1. It's beat 1 and 2. Second half of the pattern, left hand, left foot, right hand, left hand. Okay, I'll demo that for you, and I'll also show you how you can orchestrate this round the kit and vary your orchestration to make it sound like an interesting, almost like a fill.